Okay, we're gonna start out at the coolness of this building. It just has this really interesting Moorish. Then we're just gonna walk straight down. So I don't know how much we're gonna do in this space, but we're gonna do a little bit. And that's this empty building. I did this another video. It's the abandoned skyscraper kind of thing. Anyways, let's focus on this one.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna view this one. That's kind of interesting. That guy does that thing with his stomach. I see that a lot in Korea and in mainland China. I don't see it so much in Macau. But just kind of that loud stamping on the stomach. I think it's supposed to be good for circulation, I think. Let's kind of look at some of this. Say another unique building, and then that one right there, that one is like this old skyscraper that's kind of like abandoned. I've always found that pretty interesting. But actually this is one that kind of caught my eye, and I wanted to start here. And it's this really interesting Moorish look, right? You just kind of got, then it just kind of fades into this kind of normal, regular, but also kind of unique and different too. So. Then this right here is the this park, as you can see, Vasco da Gama, I believe. So okay, the park always looks kind of interesting, but this looks really interesting from the street. Like when you're walking down the street, and it's kind of like it's kind of up, and it's hard to see what's in it exactly, because you have to go down these steps, and then it kind of makes you curious. But actually when you're here, it's not quite as impressive. So the garden of Vasco da Gama. Nice places to sit in the shade. I think this is a sports, yeah, this is the other side of the sports center. So when we went in there, the last video I went into, okay, let's film right here for a second. So the last time I filmed, there was a nice big swimming pool in there. It's pretty impressive actually. It's like more like an Olympic swimming pool, so you do laps. And this is just great for the feet. Just to step on here for a minute. That's really good for circulation too. Just gonna step on it for a minute. Circulate the feet a little bit. Then this street right here is one of the main, it's kind of a main thoroughfare for getting north to south in the city. Well, this is a one-way street, so basically going south. Yeah, so when you're walking down this and you kind of see all that stuff, and it's like, oh wow, it looks really inviting. And actually that edge really nice. All these places have shade on them. Casablanca. So, okay, it's kind of cool. Yeah, see, now you can see this. So you're walking down this one, and you got these large banyan tree kind of things, and you have this black and white tiled street. So there is kind of an impressiveness to it to see. And then all the way down there, there's some stuff we're seeing too, called Rua Ferrara do Amaral. I don't think I'm going to go much further with the camera. I think I might just end it right here. But let's kind of give you a sign, some of the signs here. There we go. Rua de Ferrara do Amaral. Then when you look here, it actually says Sao Paulo ruins are that way, which is kind of interesting too. So okay, I think what we're going to do is we're going to try to cross the street, see if we can go a whole other route. But anyways, that's kind of interesting. So we started basically, we'll go back to it. So we started just up that way a little bit. I'll go up. So we started right there with that kind of Moorish looking apartment that looks kind of cool. So okay, and we'll end right there too. Toma cuidado.
movidinha.